Okay, so for about the past week now, I've been obsessing over Gogeta Super Saiyan 4 and his hair. Why is it red? All the other Super Saiyan 4s in existence, that being Goku and Vegeta, all have black hair. What makes Gogeta the exception? So after doing some research, I've pretty much come to the conclusion of two very possible theories. Now before I get into these theories, keep in mind guys, these are theories, these aren't fact, this isn't me coming out with the confirmation from Akira Toriyama, this is just what, makes sense to me. So with all that said, let me get straight into my very first theory as to why Gogeta has red hair as a Super Saiyan 4. So the first theory is actually a very simple one, it's that Gogeta isn't actually a Super Saiyan 4, in fact he's a Super Saiyan 5. Again, this is the theory. Let me explain how this could potentially be. So, in Fusion Reborn, we see Goku and Vegeta fuse in their base form, and they overall come out as a Super Saiyan. So, what does that mean? A base plus a base equals Super Saiyan. Okay, so what we can essentially say is Super Saiyan 4 plus Super Saiyan 4, would that equal Super Saiyan 5? If you're transforming up a level, would that mean that you're transcending to the next level? If the power was too much to handle, would you automatically go up to the next Super Saiyan level without knowing it? In other words, base Goku and base Vegeta fused in to Super Saiyan Gogeta. Super Saiyan 4 Goku fusing with Super Saiyan 4 Vegeta would make Super Saiyan 5 Gogeta, if we're following that logic. Now guys, this is the theory that I had for Gogeta having red hair pre-Battle of Gods, so I like to call this the pre-Battle of Gods theory. After Battle of Gods, I pretty much came up with another theory. Now this theory is totally solid. It makes perfect sense if GT and Battle of Gods happened in the same timeline. Now if we're saying GT and Battle of Gods happened in alternate universes, for example, then this theory doesn't make much sense. Just a minor mistake by me guys, I noticed this in editing. I meant to say if this happened in an alternate universe, this would make more sense opposed to if it happened in the same timeline. Now what theory am I talking about? I like to call this theory the post-Battle of Gods theory. So Battle of Gods gave me the idea that Gogeta is still a Super Saiyan 4, but in fact, along with being a Super Saiyan 4, has God Essence. Again, many people may be thinking, how does Gogeta have God Essence? It makes no sense. Now let me explain to you why Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta is actually Super Saiyan 4 God Gogeta. So in the Baby Saga, Goku's actually fighting Grade 8 Golden Baby, and he requests the energy from Pan, Trunks, Goten, and Gohan. Do you see where I'm going with this? Gohan, Trunks, Pan, and Goten all make a little circle, hold hands, and they give Goku their energy, just like they did in Battle of Gods. Now, I'm aware that there are only 4 Saiyans. You need 5 Saiyans, plus the actual Saiyan that will be turning into the God. So, keep that in mind. Goku has the energy of 4 pure-hearted Saiyans. I think we can all agree that Trunks, Gohan, Pan, and Goten are all pure-hearted Saiyans. Who's to say that Goku doesn't keep this energy all the way through to the Shadow Dragon Saga until he fuses it with Super Saiyan 4 Vegeta? So when they fuse, Goku finally gets the energy from the 5th pure-hearted Saiyan, therefore turning him into a god, but at the same time they're transforming into Gogeta as a Super Saiyan 4, resulting in Gogeta to have God Essence. Now if you're a little bit confused, let me put it another way. Think of it like this. As soon as Goku touches fingertips with Vegeta's fingertips, all of Vegeta's energy goes into Goku, and all of Goku's energy goes into Vegeta. The energy that's going into Goku is transforming him into a god because of the previous Saiyans that he took the energy from. So just for a split second before they fuse, Goku would in fact have red hair. They obviously fuse into Gogeta, Gogeta having that god essence, and being mostly Goku would result in Gogeta having red hair. That is my theory as to why Gogeta has red hair. It just makes so much sense guys. I mean, Goku retaining the energy all the way through to the Shadow Dragon Saga may be the only problem I can see here, but other than that, it just makes so much sense. One other inconsistency I do see with this is that Goku as a Super Saiyan God has red eyes. Gogeta as Super Saiyan 4 has blue eyes. So that may be an inconsistency, but again guys, this is only fun, this is a theory, this is like not confirmed. However, if someone just came up to me randomly and asked, why is Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta's hair red, I would link them to this video directly. So guys, hopefully you've gone on to enjoy my theories for today. If you do agree with me, let me know in the comments. If you disagree with me, let me know in the comments, guys. I'm all for discussion. And that will be me for today. I'll see you guys in the next Dragon Ball Z video. With